Today, the moon continues in Virgo. It is the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere. Today, the sun enters Capricorn. So we go into the signs that are cardinal on the solstices and equinoxes. So here we are in the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere, longest day of the year in the southern hemisphere, and we enter the sign of Capricorn in the tropical zodiac. So happy solstice. And I'm Marina Orms here with your Astro Vibe for Saturday, December 21st. The moon continues in Virgo. So we have both the sun and moon in earth signs, reminding us to get grounded, to think about the practical matters in our lives, and focusing on resources, what we need to do to take care of our bodies, attend to things in our lives that take care of us on the physical level. So, of course, with the moon in Virgo, we are thinking about details. It's a good time to focus on cleaning, clearing, kind of clearing the decks for what's coming up in the new year. That could be a good way to think about it, getting rid of some of the old clutter, old debris that may not be helpful as we move forward. And so clearing that space can also help us with our self-care, because having that space cleared clears energy, right? It helps us feel lighter. Have you ever felt that way after you did some cleaning? Just, oh my goodness, it feels so much more peaceful, more spacious, lighter, more free. So the Virgo energy is about how we clear space to create that feeling of spaciousness. So don't discount your Virgo cleaning urges. They are serving a deeper self-care purpose. Of course, also don't get hard on yourself if it's not perfect, right? It does not have to be perfect to be helpful, to be supportive, to be a part of your self-care and helping you to meet your needs. So the moon is the mood of the day, and with the Virgo mood, we want to think not about where we need to be perfect, but where we can improve, where we can make things a little bit better. Things that need some attention. Think maybe something in your home or environment needs repair. It could work a little more smoothly if you give it some attention or fix something that's been broken. And that again, right, that creates that feeling of lightness, of freedom, of things working better, more smoothly, getting easier, right? That feeling of ease, of movement, all part of that need for spaciousness, lightness, freedom, and peace. So as you work with this Virgo energy, notice any patterns that may show up for you around what you think, where you think you should be, or what you think you should have accomplished, and shift that, right? Ask yourself, what did I do? What am I doing? What am I attending to? Because maybe you are attending to something that you're not giving yourself credit for. Maybe you got something done today that you don't think counts, but maybe it really does count. Maybe it's really exactly what you needed to do to as a starting point, right? Sometimes it's not the sexiest or the most exciting thing we need to do that gets us going in the right direction. So attending to that deeper level where, and really when you get down to it, this is where the energy patterns of our lives originate. So how we take care of our space, our bodies, how we think about our needs, and our needs for those details to be right. That is really at that deeper level that creates the foundation of feeling good and happy and well cared for and having our needs met. So, eat some good food, attend to something in your life that needs some attention, focus on the details, give yourself permission to really dig in, dive in, right? Focus on what feels fun to just get your hands on and work with, and do something, create something on that level, even though it may not feel like it's the ultimate accomplishment of your dreams. It could be the foundation of that. So this great Virgo energy that we have available to us. And with the Capricorn the sun going into Capricorn with the solstice, we have that energy um, of going within that Capricorn hibernation, attending to where we need to be organized, where we need to have things shored up to save our resources for the long winter ahead, as I was sharing yesterday. So, thinking about that Capricorn energy as it's really an invitation to get clear about what's important to you, get organized, think about what you need on that practical level. So the sun and the moon working together in earth signs to help you think about your body and your environment and the world around you and how you can get hands on with something, right? Earth is about how what we see, taste, touch, feel, smell. What did I get all of the senses? You get the idea. So right. So it's what we can perceive with our senses. And that earth energy is also our connection to the world around us, to nature, to food, and our environment. So connect with the world around you. Thank you for being here. I'm Marina Orms. You can learn more about me at astrologyheals.com. And thank you so much for being here and subscribing to this YouTube channel. I so appreciate your support, and enjoy what you're working on and the holidays around the corner. All right. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.